Hello, today we're going to look at the 8th grade IXL follow directions on a coordinate plane. So just a reminder, when I have an ordered pair, it is always x before y, x before y. So 9 on the x-axis, 1 on the y-axis. So let's go find it. 9, 1. Here's my point. Then it tells me to move 3 units left. 1, 2, 3. Where did I end up? 6 on the x-axis, 1 on the y-axis. So let's put that in. There we go. We're going to try another one. Here we go. This wants me to start at 3. Let's go over to positive 3 on the x-axis, negative 2 on the y. Then it says move down 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Move 1 unit right. There's 1 unit right. Where did I end up? 4 on the x-axis, negative 5 on the y-axis. Let's put that in. 4, negative 5. All right. Let's skip on to some a little bit more challenging. This one says you move down 6 units and you end up at negative 1, negative 2. Where did you start? So if I end up at negative 1, negative 2, and I had to move down 6 units, that means I came down this way. And I ended right, negative 1, negative 2, right here. So basically, I'm going to have to go in the opposite direction to figure out where I started. So it says go down 6 to end there. So I'm going to go the opposite way up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So where did I start at? Would be negative 1, 4. Okay, we're going to try that again. Here we go. You move down 4 units and left 3 units. You end at negative 1, negative 5. Where did you start? Again, since I'm ending at this point, I'm going to have to do the opposite from this point because I need to work backwards. Working backwards means I'm going to do the opposite. So let's see where I ended. I ended at negative 1, negative 5 right here. But I had to go down 4 units, so the opposite would be up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 3 units to the left, the opposite would be right. 3, 1, 2, 3. So where did I start? I started at 2, negative 1. There we go. So good luck with the IXL, and we'll see you soon in class.